Paano matuto mag-English ng mabilis using USA states and time zone? Ako pala si Nicole and I've been a call center agent for more than 10 years. Now, kung gusto mong maging isang call center agent subalit nahihirapan ka mag-English, well, I have a free call center ebook for you. Just message me the word free. There's a link on my Facebook page on the description box below so I can send you the call center ebook. Now, USA states and time zone. This is very, very important, guys, lalong-lalo na sa mga beginners. Bakit? Kasi yung mga customers natin, they stay in the United States of America. So, dapat din nating pag-aralan kung saan sila nakatira, ano yung mga states nila, and lalong-lalo na po yung time zone. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, iisa lang yung time zone natin. Pero sa Amerika, it is 6. Well, 4 lang yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. So, ang gagawin po natin ngayon is babasahin ko po yung mga states and I want you to repeat after me as much as you can. Try to follow or copy the way I pronounce states. Let's go. Okay, so we will start from the Eastern Standard Time area. So I want you to familiarize the states, the abbreviation, and its meaning. Now let's start. Michigan, Indiana, Kentucky, Georgia, Florida, Ohio, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York, District of Columbia, Vermont, Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Jersey, Delaware. Next is the Central Standard Time area. North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, Wisconsin, Illinois, Mississippi, Tennessee, Alabama. Next, we got Mountain Standard Time area. Montana, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico. And lastly, we got the Pacific Standard Time area. We got Washington, Oregon, California, and Nevada. Guys, now let us move on to the time zones. Now in the US, there are 4 main time zones. We got from the left to right, Pacific Daylight Time, Mountain Daylight Time, Central Daylight Time, and Eastern Standard Time. So, sa kada time zone po, let's move on from, let's start with the Eastern Standard Time. Ito po yung pinaka-common. So, each time zone is, yung difference po nila is 1 hour ahead. For example, right now, it's 1:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, Central Standard Time, it's 12:04. Actually, it's 1 hour ahead yung Eastern Standard Time sa Central Standard Time. So it goes back with the Mountain Standard Time. It's 11:04 p.m. So it's Central Standard Time is 1 hour ahead from Mountain Standard Time, and the same with Pacific Standard Time. It's 10:04 p.m. On the other hand, Mountain Standard Time is 11. So each time zone sa magkakadikit is 1 hour difference. So this is very important. But don't worry, it might be confusing at the beginning, but if familiar ka na nito, it's gonna be very easy for you. So each time zone area has its own states. For example, dito sa Pacific Standard Time, we got Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, and the green one, we got the Mountain Standard Time. So these are the states. Yellow one, we got Central Standard Time, and Eastern Standard Time is the red one. So nakikita nyo parang marami yung si Central Standard Time, no? It's the same. Yung pinaka-common siguro yung Eastern Standard Time. Maraming tumatawag dito eh. So the US time zone. Right, so just a recap guys, try to familiarize yung USA states, its abbreviations and its meaning, and try to watch the video again on how I pronounce each states para ma-familiarize nyo po at para ma-improve din po yung English pronunciation ninyo. And also, try to familiarize po yung US time zone. For the website, you can go to time.gov para ma-familiarize nyo po yung iba't ibang time zone sa Amerika kasi it's gonna be very important in your call center journey. And also, once again, kung gusto mo maging isang call center agent, subalit nahihirapan ka mag-English, well, I have a free ebook. It's the No English Call Center Agent Guide ebook. Just message me the word free. There's a link on my Facebook page on the description box below. And I'll see you in my next video.